It's day 6 and today is a sea day. If you're new around here, I'm Christy and this is Ariel.
Bread and pancakes, and she got an omelet, bread, rice, hash brown, and whatever that is. It's probably potato. Sounds like a good breakfast to me. We just went to the takoyaki cooking demonstration, and I'm gonna insert some fun footage of that right here.
So we finally got them to make it one bed instead of 2. We've had it as 2 beds for the last 5 days, and then we had to just push the beds together and then stuff would fall down the cracks. So finally they made 1 bed.
We're going to Family Insanity. We're number 2. You're there.
So we just got done doing Family Insanity. They brought us all onto the stage in front of everyone and had us do different activities. It was fun.
We're spending a little time in the arcade.
And they call it the Las Vegas. If you say boa tarde, then Sunday, domingo, yesterday, ontem. Restaurant, restaurante. Fish, peixe.
All right, so this is the end of day 6. This is the end of day 6. This was our sea day. We had breakfast, we played in the arcade, we walked around, we danced a little, we went to a few lectures on the ports, we learned a little Portuguese, we played a little Family Insanity. I think that's it. Tomorrow is going to be a big day in Portugal. So if you're new around here, do not forget to subscribe, like our videos, give us a thumbs up, tell your friends, and ring that bell. That way you can be notified every time we send out a video. Thank you and good night.
Going to Family Insanity.
This is our door so far, our collection of magnets. Look, the ship is rocking so hard.
Turn it on?
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.